Thank you for joining us. And I've had a query around what's the best yoga for beginning yoga. And my experience is that it's always trial and error at yoga studios. And this is why in these videos I try to offer options so that if a pose is not so doable for you, you have an option of how you can modify the pose. Since I studied a lot in the Iyengar method, a lot of those teachers are very, very geared to basic beginner classes. So usually, if you find an Iyengar teacher who's doing a beginner class, that's going to usually be a very safe and sound class for a beginner. So I can highly recommend that from my experience. But a lot of it is trial and error, finding a teacher that you like being with, who will help you modify poses. Because the biggest issue is that our bodies are uh, so different. And so you want to find a teacher that's not just teaching the same thing for everybody, but somebody who can modify, adapt, adjust poses that can suit you and your body. So it's all about your practice and finding what works for you. And perhaps one day soon, we'll try to make a really, really beginning class, and I will design something that can be suitable as a very, very beginning class. So thank you for watching and joining us.